What's the meaning of cockfight? Cockfight. Cockfight.
Cockfight. Cockfight. A cockfight is a blood sport where two roosters are bred and trained specifically to fight each other until one of them dies or is critically injured. The result of a cockfight is often brutal for the birds involved, as they are forced to wear sharp blades on their legs and fight until exhaustion, injury, or death. The outcome of a cockfight can vary, but it typically ends with one bird being seriously injured or killed while the other is declared the winner. This practice is illegal in many countries due to its inhumane nature.